Hi there, it's Mindy from simplymindy.com, and today I am sharing this splatter screen wreath using Dollar Tree products. This splatter screen wreath was inspired by a couple of other tutorials I'd seen here on YouTube, and I'll be linking those channels down in the description box. But to make this wreath, I used one of the splatter screens from Dollar Tree along with a variety of florals. This is a blush pink rose. It's called a Fanny Rose that I got at Walmart, and I used 2 bundles of these, and they're $1.47 a piece. Then I also had some lamb's ear, 3 bundles of those, which are $2, and these are also from Walmart. And then I used this burlap wired ribbon from Dollar Tree. And as a filler, I had these stems from Michael's that I've had on hand for a couple years now. So to start, I am removing the hardware from the splatter screen. I'm going to use this Dollar Tree foam board to create a base for my wreath. So I'm just tracing, I'm going to place the splatter screen at the level that I want it, and I'm tracing sort of a V shape because I want a tapered look at the base of the wreath. And I'm going to cut this piece out using my rotary blade. And once I have my piece of foam board cut to the size I want, I'm going to go ahead and use my hot glue to attach the foam to the splatter screen. And once I have my base, I'm going to start by adding the lamb's ear so that I can cover up most of the splatter screen, and this will give me a nice base to start with. All my floral stems with floral wire. So I'm simply going to take a piece of wire and thread it through the splatter screen and go around each stem so that it's sandwiched between the wire and the screen. And then I'll just flip the screen over and twist the wire onto itself to tighten it. I used 2 or more pieces of floral wire to attach each stem as needed to keep it nice and secure. I'm going to follow these exact same steps for each other type of floral, and I'm going to bend and fluff different stems to give it a little more dimension. I cut a second piece of foam board in the same way as the first, and to give my wreath a basket look, I'm using the burlap ribbon from Dollar Tree. And first I'm going to go along horizontally and add strips of the ribbon, cutting it to size and hot gluing it to the back to secure it. You could decide to add some hot glue to that foam board in the front just to keep it secure, but I didn't do that. In the end it turned out fine, but it did keep slipping around. I'm going to continue adding the burlap ribbon until the entire foam board is covered. to have a weaved basket look. So now that I have all the horizontal strips of ribbon attached, I'm going to take vertical pieces and I'm going to weave through the horizontal ones, going under every other piece. And I'm going to cut each piece to size, but I will not hot glue until I have all the weaved pieces in so that I can adjust as needed. And to get the weaved look, you'll want to alternate going over and under the horizontal pieces. So for example, if the first one goes over the horizontal piece, the next vertical piece should go under, and so on. I hope that makes sense. You can see what I'm doing here. I'm going to continue this weaving pattern, adding as many vertical pieces as I can. I fold any excess neatly onto the back and attach with hot glue. And on the front, to give it a cleaner look up top, I'm going to add a folded piece of ribbon. To clean up the back of the wreath, I trimmed off some of the longer pieces of wire, then just folded down the other ones, and then I added a piece of felt using hot glue. I'm likely going to go back and cover up the bottom as well. And then in order to hang this, I'm going to add another piece of folded burlap ribbon to each side. Definitely stop here if you're making this, but I thought it needed a little something extra, so I'm going to make a little banner to hang on the front. And these little wood pieces are from a chess game that's available at Dollar Tree, and these alphabet stickers are available there as well. I never could find the black stickers, so what I'm doing is cutting out the letters that will spell welcome. And I'm going to use my black chalk paint to go ahead and paint these. You could easily just paint these letters right on the sticker sheet, or you could apply the letters to the little wood pieces and use it as a stencil and paint around it. But this is the way I chose to do it. Drying, I'm going to assemble my banner, and I'm using twine, and I decided to use these pearl beads that I found at Dollar Tree as well, and I'm going to alternate putting a bead in between each of the wooden pieces. Each wood piece using hot glue, and I'm going to glue it at the very top so that most of it is hanging down. Mod Podge just to seal in the paint and to keep the letters from falling off. My banner is assembled, I'm going to attach it to my wreath by gluing the excess string to the back. I hope you enjoyed this Dollar Tree splatter screen wreath tutorial. If you did, go ahead and give this video a like and leave me a comment, and subscribe for more home decor on a budget. As always, thanks for watching.